Welcome to all. Today we will discuss regarding the road estimations. This is the final part of the estimation and costing subject. In this particular subject, already we discussed regarding the various types of estimation and then different items, specifications, and then rate analysis. These are all our things are discussed. And after that, long wall, short wall method of residential building estimations, center line method of residential building estimations, pitched roof buildings estimations, these are all things are discussed in the previous sessions. Now we are discussing in this particular session regarding the road estimations. Even in road estimations are also various types of road estimations are discussed in the previous sessions. In this particular sessions, I will discuss the concrete road estimations for a some items, not all items. Some items are discussed in previous sessions. So in this particular session, I will take one simple problem and some items are discussed in this particular sessions. Okay, content inward, simple problems on detailed road estimations, concrete road estimations, and then multiple choice questions regarding that particular session. In general, the road estimations, before going to that, pavement portion of a concrete road mainly consists of the subgrade, subbase, and concrete slab. These three elements are very important in the concrete pavement. Concrete pavement. Already you know the regarding this, but once again I am repeating the same point now. Next. Next, directly we will go to the problems, simple problems. Here, estimate the cost for the following item of work for a concrete road 5-meter wide, 2 km in length, as per figure, given figure. Item, which items we have to work out means first one is CC bed 1 is to 2 is to 4 using granite jelly for wearing coat at the rate of 2 to 5 per meter cube, and then consolidation of the boulders and leveling for shoulders at the rate of 40 rupees per meter cube, excavation in hard soil for foundation at the rate of 25 per meter cube. Okay, this is the measurement form. Already you know, MB books say serial number, particulars of item, numbers, breadth in meter, depth in meter, Q in meter cube, remark. Now first item, CC 1 is to 2 is to 4 using granite jelly for wearing coat. CC using granite jelly for wearing coat 2 to 5 wearing coat, which is the here this is the shoulder and this is the 10 centimeter average, here 10, here 8. Now average we have to take it as a 9 centimeter thickness. I am taking average as a 9 centimeter thickness, average thickness, because here slope is not given in this particular case, camber is not given. If it is the camber is provided, and you can easily calculate it. Now camber is not provided, not given, therefore that reason I am taking average thickness. Say here centrally 10 centimeter thickness is there, here 8 centimeter thickness is, I am taking average at the mid height, say 9 centimeter thickness. Now this is the shoulder which is to be used boulders for the shoulder preparation. Now road width is in general 5 meter only. Road width is concrete road width is only 5 meter. 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter is the shoulder. Now number 1, length how much? Length 2 kilometer, 2000 meter is length. Breadth is therefore 5 meter, because only CC portion wearing coat granite jelly, it is 5 meter in breadth. Depth I am taking average thickness, say 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter, average of 9 centimeter, that means 0.09 meter. Now the quantity becomes, multiplying all the columns, we will get Q is equal to 900 meter cube. Next. Second item, consolidation of the boulders and leveling it for shoulder. Shoulder length is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter is the shoulder length. Shoulder breadth, say. Shoulder breadth. Length is 2 meter. 2 meter in length. Breadth 1.5 meter. And both the side shoulders are there. Therefore, I am taking here number two numbers. And thickness of the shoulder. See here. Thickness of the shoulder, I am taken average, say average thickness 8 centimeter thickness. But in general, it is camber is not given. If it is camber is provided, then I have to take the camber. By using that, I have to calculate average thickness. But instead of that, camber is not given. For that reason, I am taking directly the height as 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter means 0.08 meter. Now multiplying all these column, we will get the quantity becomes 4,480 meter cube. Next, third item, excavation in hard soil for foundation. Excavation in hard soil for foundation. Here also one number, length is 2 kilometer means 2000 meter, breadth is 8 meter. Breadth is 8 meter. That means excavation we have to do it for the whole breadth. Whole breadth means road width plus two side shoulder width. That is 1.5. You have to add it. 5 plus 2 into 1.5. Therefore, it is 8 meter. And thickness given 10 centimeter. That means 0.1 meter. Now multiplying all this, we will get 1600 meter cube. These three items are only asked in this particular problem. For that reason, I am concentrating only these three items. Now we will move to the abstract of estimated cost. How to prepare? Here serial number, particulars of item, Q in meter cube, unit, rate, per and amount. Now first item, CC 1:2:4 using granite jelly for wearing coat. 900 meter cube already calculated. Unit meter cube. Rate given 225 rupees per meter cube. That means multiplying this, we will get 2,02,500 rupees. Now second item, consolidation of the boulders and leveling it for shoulder. 480 meter cube. Meter cube is the unit. 40 rupees per meter cube. Now it becomes 19,200 rupees. Now third one, consolidation of boulders and leveling it for shoulder already covered. Now we will move to the third point, that is excavation in hard soil for foundation. Excavation in hard soil for foundation, that is 1600 already calculated. Unit is meter cube and then rate is 25 rupees per meter cube. That means multiplying for 40,000. Now totally becomes adding all the four items, it becomes 2,61,700 rupees. That means adding 3% for contingencies and 2% for work charge and establishment. Then finally it becomes 2,74,785 rupees. In this way we have to calculate the we have to prepare the estimations. Now directly we will move to the multiple choice questions regarding this. This is session number 50. Session number 50. Multiple choice questions. Now one by one move to first questions. While estimating a reinforced cement structure, the omitted cover of concrete is assumed. Option number A, at the end of reinforcing bar not less than 25 mm or pi is the diameter of the bar. In thin slab 12 mm in minimum or diameter of the bar, whichever is more. For reinforcing longitudinal bar in a beam 25 mm minimum or diameter of the largest bar, which is more. All the above. Which is the correct answer? The option number D is the correct answer. Next, second question. A cement concrete road is 1,000 meter long, 8 meter wide and 15 centimeter thick over the subbase of 10 centimeter thick gravel. The box cutting in road crust is dash. Option number A 500 meter cube, option number B 1000 meter cube, C 1500, D 2000 meter cube. Which is the correct answer? Option number D is the correct answer. Option number D is the correct answer. Next question. In the midsection formula, the mean depth is the average of depth of two consecutive sections. The area of midsections is calculated by using mean depth. The volume of the earthwork is calculated by multiplying the midsection area by the distance between the two original sections. Then all the above, which is the correct answer? Tell me the answer. Option number D is the correct answer. Next, question number 4. The cross sections for a highway is taken at first right angle to the center line, 30 meters apart, intermediate points having an abrupt change in gradient, all the above. Which is the correct? Which is the correct answer? Option number D is the correct answer. Next, question number 5. Area of the cross section of a road fully in banking as shown in figure. S is to 1, then radial slope R is to 1. S is to 1 and radial slope R is to 1. The radial slope is the ground slope. Now depth is D. Depth is D, average depth. Breadth is 2B here. Now, which is the correct answer? What is the formula we have to use? Option number A, option number B, option number C, option number D. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer is first one. Option number A is the correct answer. Next, question number 6. The expected outturn of 2.5 cm cement concrete floor per mason per day. The expected outcome turn of 2.5 cm cement concrete floor per mason per day dash. Which is the correct answer? Option number A, B, C, D. Option number C is the correct answer. Next. The expected outturn of cement concrete 1:2:4 per mason per day is dash. Option number A 1.5 meter cube, option number B 2.5 meter cube, option number C 3.5 meter cube, option number D 5 meter cube. Which is the correct answer? Option number D is the correct answer. Next, the assumption on which the trapezoidal formula for volume is based is the end sections are parallel planes, mid area of pyramid is half the average area of the ends, the volume of the prismoidal is overestimated and hence a prismoidal correction is applied, then all the above. Which is the correct answer? Option number D is the correct answer. Option number D is the correct answer. Okay, these are some multiple choice questions which is related to the concrete roads, road estimations. Now, I hope you understood the problems. This way, similar type of problems already we solved, we sort out in the previous sessions are also. I hope everyone is understood this problems, and also you also work out it in home to understood the concept, because in sessions we are going to explain, but also you can't get the better practice. For that reason, to get better practice point of view, you have to work out in work out it as a homework. It is well and good for you, and exam point of view also you have to practice it. Okay, thank you for listening this session. I hope you understood the concepts. Thank you. All the best. Thank you.